Hi guys, welcome back to the studio. As you'll probably remember, last week the Mini has been polished and ceramic coated. He's done about 500 or 600 miles since then, covered in bugs, dirt, because he does a lot of mountain biking and stuff. So we're going to show you how easy it is to clean a car once it's been ceramic coated. Check this out, guys. Right guys, that's a Mini all clean and washed. As you can see from being ceramic coated last week and how clean it looks now, I know it's only been a week, but this is how the car will look every single time it gets cleaned now. It'll be absolutely perfect. No need to polish it, no need to wax it. Just so you know, when we hit 10K, we're going to be doing a big giveaway, something similar to what we've done to this car. We're going to be giving away a detail, ceramic coating, all that sort of stuff. So get sharing the videos, get all your friends to subscribe, because as soon as we hit 10K, we're doing a big giveaway. Let's get back inside and have a look at the LT. We've got this 600 LT in. We've done a full body PPF on it this week, and it's just about to get ceramic coated. Luckily, G-Technical have made one that's flexible to go onto this sort of finish. So yeah, have a look at this. PPF fully done, but the ceramic coating has been put on top. Full body PPF, full body halo ceramic coating, wheels coated, calipers coated, interior coated, glass coated, ready to go back to McLaren on Monday morning to hand over to the customer. I hope they enjoy it. It looks beautiful. Thanks for tuning in again. Please like, subscribe, turn the bell notifications on, watch all the videos, get our view time up, and we'll see you next time.